My great students, it's a pleasure being in front of you again after the long university strike. I am delighted to be back in the classroom. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of technical analysis when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. And I'm going to be sharing with you a very profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy that you can begin to apply and start making some good money from the crypto markets by yourself. And the name of this strategy is greed trading. You are going to learn greed trading today, the basics, and I will show you a platform where you can go and start making some money for yourself with this greed trading. Are you excited?
Thank you, Dr. Victor Isibor. As the class rep, I want to speak on behalf of my co-students. We are happy to have you back and we are excited to learn this greed trading. But this greed that you're talking about, I hope it's not G-R-E-E-D. We don't want to be greedy traders.
Funny class rep. The greed trading we're talking about is G-R-I-D and not G-R-E-E-D. Now, let us talk about greed trading. Now, greed trading is a trading strategy that takes advantage of crypto price movement by placing strategic limit buy and sell orders. Greed traders set lower and upper limits in a grid where they execute buy and sell orders. If the price drops below the lower limit, a buy order is executed. If the price rises above the upper limit, a sell order is executed automatically. For example, if the price of, say, Bitcoin is $60,000, a trader could set a lower limit of $59,000 and an upper limit of $61,000. The area between these two limits is their grid. Once the price drops to $59,000, a buy order is executed. And when it rises to $61,000, a sell order is executed. Traders can set multiple buy and sell orders at different points in their grids. In each grid trade, a trader must select one lower limit and one upper limit manually. These orders are automatically executed by the trading bot at certain price intervals. Inside the grid, they have at least one buy order and one sell order, but they can set as many additional orders as they want. The larger the gap between the lower and the upper limits, the higher the profit potential. For example, if a buy order is set at $60,000, the trader will profit more by setting a sell order at $65,000 than at $61,000. I hope you understand.
We understand perfectly, sir. Please continue. We are getting real value from this lecture.
Now let us talk about some of the advantages of greed trading. Greed trading is very popular in the crypto trading community because it can be automated and it allows traders to profit in sideways markets. Some of the advantages include: number one, automation. After you manually set limits, including the grid buy and sell orders, the trading bots carry out trades on your behalf. Trading bots run 24/7 and traders can make a profit without tracking price movements themselves. Number two, profitability in sideways markets. Greed trading allows traders to profit even when the market isn't showing any clear trend. Crypto prices often go sideways for months at a time, and this strategy takes advantage of those conditions. Number three, greed density options. A trader can set dozens or even hundreds of automatic buy, sell limit orders. This allows them to minimize their risk and maximize their chance of profitability. The whole idea behind greed trading is to buy low and sell high in the short term. So, even though a greed bot is automated, There are 5 parameters that you need to set manually before you set the bot in motion. Number 1 is your take profit. This is the maximum crypto price you choose to set for your trade. If the crypto's price reaches this value, the grid will automatically sell all positions and the profit will be deposited in USDT or other stable coins into your account. Number 2 is stop loss. This is the lowest price point for your trade where you automatically exit. If the price drops below this price level, the stop loss will be triggered and you will exit your position at a loss. Number 3 is the upper limit. The upper limit is the top price limit of your grid. The bot won't place sell orders above this limit. The higher your upper limit, the larger your profit potential. Number 4, the lower limit, which is the bottom price limit of your grid. The bot won't place buy orders below this limit. The lower limit is often a bit higher than the stop loss. Number 5, which is last but not least, is grid number. The grid numbers signify the maximum number of buy and sell orders you can assign for your grid. The orders are evenly distributed, so if you assign a grid number of 10, you will have 5 buy orders and 5 sell orders. Now, some platforms do offer you very easy setup grid bots that may not contain one or more of these parameters, but all grid trading robots in the setup must contain at least take profit and stop loss, while the rest may be automated. It depends. Conclusively, you can, increase your profit margin in grid trading if you are able to time the market very well, and also if you practice proper risk management. Conclusively, grid trading is an automated trading strategy in which the trader sets upper and lower trade limits. This strategy takes advantage of volatility on short-term charts such as 1 minute, 5 minutes or 15 minutes charts. Once the price hits the limits specified in the grid settings, a buy or sell order is triggered automatically. The technique is best executed in a sideways market without massive price fluctuations. If a trader follows the latest news and reconfigures their grid daily, this strategy can be quite profitable.
Awesome lecture, Dr. Victor Isibor. So conclusively, which trading bot do you use that you can recommend for us?
Okay, go ahead and look in the description of this video. You would find a link to my recommended grid trading bot service. Once you register and sign up, on the homepage you will find the icon of grid trading. Tap on it and it will open up for you 3 different options: futures grid, spot grid, spot infinity grid, and you will see create in front of each one. When you tap on create, the parameters you need to input are very minimal: stop loss, take profit, intended capital, and there you go. Every other thing else from that point is automated. That is how come I smile to the bank every time in the market of cryptocurrencies. Thank you. I remain Dr. Victor Isibor. I'll see you in the next class.